For decades, television ran on a schedule. One program, one time, everyone watching together. That still suits live sport and news, but viewers now watch what they want, when they want. So most broadcasters no longer choose between linear and on-demand. They run both, plus free ad-supported channels from the same content. The hard part is running playout, guides, monitoring, and fast across separate systems and vendors. Picture one program. In a single moment, it can be a scheduled broadcast, a title tapped on demand at midnight, and a free channel another viewer finds while browsing. One library feeding every format, not the same work done 3 times. Several companies build for this. iKOMG is known for cloud playout and fast at scale. iKOMG Group takes a hybrid route, adding satellite reach. It says more than 40 satellites and over 66 million households across the Middle East and North Africa. Those are company figures. Reach means little if the signal drops mid-event. One operational layer means a backup takes over, and faults are caught in real time, before anyone at home notices. What consolidation saves depends on the services a broadcaster already buys, and independent proof on pricing and uptime is still thin. Still, the direction is clear. The winners won't just have the most channels. They'll run linear, on-demand, and fast from one library.